Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup monday.com files using connected storage exports, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your monday.com account. Navigate to the board containing the files you want to backup. Click on the specific item that houses the files. Locate the Files section within that item. Identify the connected storage app linked to your board. Ensure you have access to the connected storage. If you haven't done so already, link your connected storage account to monday.com. To export files, find the Export option in the connected storage integration. Select the files you wish to backup. Choose the format and destination for your exported files. Confirm the export settings are correct before proceeding. Click on the Export button to initiate the backup process. Wait for the export to complete, which may take a few moments. Once completed, check the destination for your saved files. Ensure that all desired files have been successfully exported. If any files are missing, recheck the export settings and repeat as necessary. Finally, keep a copy of the backup in a secure location. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.